Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and hold a package in FedEx at a location. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, simply go ahead, access your browser for you and go to search bar and simply type in www.fedex.com/tracking and simply search it up. And so once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface. Tap on this English option for you to, and you're going to find this a tracking page, right? Simply going to go ahead and enter your tracking number of yours and tap on this track, right? You can see track by reference, track by TCN, obtain proof of delivery as well. You do have these options. Whatever number you have available, type it in and tap on this track. Afterwards, you're going to find this tracking information of your package itself. You're going to find this option called manage package delivery. Go ahead, tap on that particular one, and then you will access this option saying hold at location. Once you have tapped on it, it will let you choose the location for you. Go ahead, choose a location where you want the package to be held at. Once you have confirmed it, you will be able to make your package hold at that particular location from FedEx, just like that. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.